Ladies and gentlemen, it is my pleasure to introduce to the some of the most iconic and delicious South Indian food here. Whether you serve them with the tangy chutney or spicy sambar, you will crave for more. So without any delays, let's start with the recipe. So here you can see this dosa, idli, this is called kara chutney, the peanut chutney, sambar, curd rice and the lemonade. This is a mocktail. So this is dosa. The ingredients used for the dosa are 2 cups of rice, 1 cup of urad dal and half tablespoon of fenugreek seeds, which is also known as methi seeds, half tablespoon salt to taste and water as per needed, and oil for the greasing. So first I rinse the dal, rice and the fenugreek seeds. Then I soak them in the water for around 4 to 5 hours. Then I drain the water and put all the mixture into a grinder and grinded it. Then the batter that has become, now put it into a bowl and cover it with a plastic wrap for an overnight, for over around 8 hours, so that it can be fermented over the night. The next early morning or 8 hours later, take the bowl out of the fridge and take a fry pan or take a dosa pan, put some ghee on it, apply some ghee or oil on it and pour the dosa batter onto the pan. And
I'm here Shivani, and today I would like to introduce the dishes which I made. So I made sambar today and peanut chutney. Peanut chutney is also called as groundnut chutney. It's very famous food recipe in South Indian culture. And coming to this sambar, so I have taken a cup of red lentils, which is called tur dal, and also I took the vegetables like carrot and cucumber, curry leaves, tomatoes and etc. So firstly I have took the red lentils in the bowl and I have soaked it for 1 hour, and then later I have took a bowl and I have added the lentils in the bowl and I have added all the vegetables which I took, and I have
talking about curd rice as well as mocktail, which is also known as panaka, the traditional South Indian recipe and drink. So as we all know that curd rice is the simplest and easiest recipe, and South India is known for its spices and tadka flavors. So ingredient used for curd rice is rice, which can be your leftover. If you are bachelor or a students, you can use leftover rice or you can make freshly cooked rice. And dahi, 1/4 tablespoon.
So this is our recipe and we have done with this.
So thank
you
you,
so much.
and it's time for taste.
So I would like to call our sir, Amitabh sir, to taste our recipes. So please, I like to call sir. Welcome sir. So sir, these are the dishes like idli chutney and idli sambar, dosha and chutney, and we made a curd rice and a mocktail, a South Indian mocktail. So please sir, have it. So once again.
इडली सांबर चटनी चटनी डोसा इडली सांबर चटनी चटनी कोट्टकड़ा सट्टयते मंजी पूरी इट्टकड़ा बैतुल्ला वारी वारी डोसा इडली सांबर चटनी चटनी डोसा इडली सांबर चटनी चटनी नारवाय पल्लु मलिकी नान चपाती अमुकदा होटलकारा
So you can have with the chutney or sambar.
डोसा इडली सांबर चटनी चटनी डोसा इडली सांबर चटनी चटनी डोसा इडली सांबर चटनी मटर 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 डोसा इडली सांबर चटनी